Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create an online store with Canva website. So as we know, Canva website is a platform where we can create graphics, images, presentations, and so on and so forth. But if you don't know yet, you can also create websites here in Canva. So we are going to learn about how to create an online store for free using Canva. And then I'm here in the homepage of my Canva account. So let's go to templates, and then if you click website right away, it will just create a blank website. So from here, we can at least search for a template for our website so that we just need to edit it so that we have a starting point. So for example, I'll search right here, online store website. And then for the category, let's make it website right here. So let's see again where the website is, just this one, so that we can filter our categories that only has websites. So if you have this crown icon right here, that means that you have to have a Canva business account or a Canva Pro account. But for this video, we're just going to use the free versions of websites right here. So for example, this one. So you can see this, or you can also see the design when you hover your mouse. So let's choose a design that we can use. So for example, this one, we can click on it, then click customize this template. So we have this website, and then we can go ahead and insert our website information right here. So we have the landing page, the about page, the product selection, the news page, and then this testimony page, and then the contact. Then we can just use this website and adjust the the different pictures right here. So for example, if I want to have like a jewelry focused website, so we can just go ahead and type in here jewelry, or if you have your own pictures, you can use them as well. For example, let's go to photos. We have different pictures right here. We can just drag and drop specific photos right here. So for example, I'll choose this one. Then let's adjust. And then, for example, this one as well. Let's change the picture. And then just depends on your preference. For example, this one, and for example, this one. Well, let's just adjust images right here, or maybe I'll just choose this one. And then we can go ahead, change the text. Just change the description as well. And then what we can do is that we can add a button right here if the users want to buy the specific product. So let's add a button. So we can just copy this, then paste it right here. And then let's change the text to buy now. Then we can copy this for our other products right here. And then you can go ahead and edit the different parts of the page right here. And then we just only need this products page in order to create our online store. So now that you have our products, what we can do is that we can create payment links. So in order to do that, we can use Stripe. So here I am in my Stripe account. So if you don't have your Stripe account yet, just go ahead and create an account and verify your account right there. So here is my Stripe account. So right now I'm using a sandbox so that we can test out the payment features. But if you have the live version, so you can just do the same steps. So from here, what we're going to do is that we're going to product catalog, and then we're going to create product. And then from here, you can just insert the details of your products, for example, gold ring, and then design. Then you can also upload the image, and then you can insert the amount. For example, I'll say $50. Then we can go ahead and add the product. And then we have here the gold ring. Then we can also do the same thing for the other products. And then let's say this one is $80, and then let's choose the billing period to be a one-off fee. Then add product. Then let's change the pricing for this one as well. To a one-time fee, since this is a physical product. And then let's go back and create the other product. Then we have our products right here. And then we can also just download the images right here. So for example, I'll create a new page. So that we can download the images. And we can just share and download our page 2 to 4 so that we can insert it to our Stripe. So we have here the zip file. So I'll just extract it. Then we can go ahead and use the images right here. We have here the gold necklace. Then the bracelet. Let's repeat the upload again. And then lastly for the gold ring. So now that we have our products, we can go ahead and create the payment links. So in order to create a payment link, just click on the plus button right here on the upper right, and then click payment link. Then from here, we will choose the specific product. So for example, I'll choose the gold ring, and then we can edit the payment page right here. So we can collect the customer's names and then the customer's address, so billing and shipping address. And then for the shipping countries, you can just choose the specific country right here. So for example, I'll choose United States, and then require to provide a phone number, and then we can see the payment page right here. Then we can go ahead, create the link. So we have the payment links right here, and then you have different information. So you have the product, the shipping, the payment methods right here: card, Apple Pay, Klarna, Link, Affirm, Cash App Pay, and Amazon Pay. Then you have the details, and then we can go ahead, copy this link, go back to our Canva website, and then I'll just delete the other pages right here that we don't need. And then we'll go back and insert the link right here to our products. So for the image, we can go ahead, insert the link right here, and then paste the URL. Then click done. Then for this button, we can do the same thing. So let's click on it again, insert the link right here, and then there we have our payment link. So we can go ahead and preview the website. So here is our online store website, and then the users can choose the products right here. So they can just click on the image so that they will be brought to the payment link, and then they can go ahead and pay for the product. And then for this one, they can also click the button so that they can also go to the payment link. And then that is it. That is how we can create an online store here in Canva. So all that you need to do is that you need to publish the website so that your website is live, and then you can share your website to the public. So just click publish. Then you can go ahead and view your website. So you can also change the domain for your website, so you can just customize it in Canva. Then there we have our live website along with the payment links. And then that's it. That is how we can create an online store using Canva. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.